You can follow YouTube, subscribe. Thank you. Nyatiti. Hello, my name is Mark. Our YouTube channel, follow, subscribe. Can I play for you something?
Sure.
What's your name? You, my name. Okay, guys, let me sing for Luba and Josh. One song. The song is called Karaber. Karaber means something good. I have decided to make a sing to Lubai, yeah, Lubai. First time I met Madam Luba, I see Josh Baba, yeah, Josh Baba, yeah, Josh Baba, yeah, Josh Baba, champion. Guys, I have a YouTube channel you can follow, subscribe. Inaitwa Maka Mugenda.
Nice one.
Lumba more beauty without any makeup. Let me tell you, my brother Josh, my grandfather told me, if you want to control economy, you have to chill with a beautiful lady like Luba. Yeah. Luba, yeah. Luba, Luba, champion. Thank you.
Wow, that is awesome. I will definitely follow you. What? Can I have the picture with you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. What is it, Mom? It will mark up on the YouTube channel. Just follow YouTube, subscribe. It will mark up. Let's keep on watching. Yeah. Keep on watching, guys. Keep on watching. This is a very vibe. Keep on watching. Come baby girl, you my cocorico. Come baby girl, yeah. Come baby girl, yeah. Come baby girl. Ni dance kanungo, kanungo yawa kanungo, yeah. Ni dance kanungo, kanungo yawa kanungo. Ni mielo kanungo. Hey, kuanzia hapa habari zenu. My name is Maka Bro. I have a YouTube channel. Yeah, please, I have a YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Maka. Maka is M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Maka Mugenda Maka. Mugenda. M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Niko live on YouTube. Okay, let me sing for you. What's your name, Jaber? Mumbi. Hey, Nyatewa. Keep on watching. Right now, I just want to kill a vibe with the Mumbi.
Hey.
Yeah, I have decided, oh my God, to sing to Mumbi. Mumbi, yeah. Mumbi, ni Mumbi more beauty. Let me tell you one thing, Bwana. Hey, hey. My brother who is watching, let me tell you one thing about Mumbi. Ni Mumbi more beauty. Sura inaweza. Yeah. Hananga makeup. Yawa. Yeah. Ni yawa karabe. The same day. Mabazu bwana, hata nyinyi ni lazima niwaimbe. Wasiseme ati nini? Huyo jamaa kwa rap anatuimbia tu wasichana yao. Let me give me another name. What's the name?
Chepke boy.
Chepke boy. Yeah. Chepke boy. Sora inaweza. Sora inaweza. Let me tell you one thing about Chepke boy. The lady was not born. I thought he was created. Yeah. I thought him boy. Yeah. Yeah, give me another name. Fancy. Yeah, Fancy. Guys, keep Fancy. I wish I see your mama. Yeah. You know, first time I meet Fancy, nilidhani ni Mrwanda mera. Yeah. Sura inaweza hadi ana makeup ananga yao atudi jambo. Yeah. Fancy jambo kuna ngoma nikawakanabe. What's her name? Viola. Ya Viola nanimaliza na iPhone yawa. Sisi watu Android. Viola hatutapumua. Viola oh. Yeah. Viola. I gonna bang, I gonna sing, I gonna zambe. Yawatum. Viola, yeah. Viola dance, yeah. I do this smile. Viola dance, champon. Nani amebaki hawa? Alita. Yeah, jambo bwana. Anita, yawa, you assuming hujamuona Anita yawa. Anita was not born. Anita was created very early in the morning. That's the main reason she's more beautiful without makeup. Yeah. Anita, yeah, unatumaliza. Yeah. Anita anaweza. Yeah. Anita jambo. Ana makeup. Anita jambo. Ananga makeup yawa. Anita jambo. Atoti nyoni. Yeah. Shepu inaweza. Jambo bwana. Yo, ulikopi wapi bwana na ulikuja jana Kenya bwana. Thank you so much for dancing. Omera, I see a lot of comments. I see a lot of comments. Omera, hata simulie soda kende ya. Soda kende. Umia malish manadeni. You can know my name. My name is 0720. Hata ujue jina yangu sasa. I'm a Luo.
You're a Luo?
Yeah. I was streaming. I normally stream on YouTube. So that the channel is like Maka. Maka is M-A-K-A.
You have a nice voice.
I do a lot of it. Nafanyanga zoezi sana. 20? 15? 9-2-7-1. Utaona Kent. That's my name. 0720 15 92 71. Thank you for appreciation. Please subscribe now. Maka is everything. Keep on watching, guys. Hello. My name is Mark. I have a YouTube channel now, but follow YouTube, subscribe.
Subscribing is money.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. Matego, do miel no bala, to ne miel no nyathi osan, to mo ido ne. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. This how the beautiful breeze is. You see, my name is Maka. I'm now streaming. I'm here in the beach. I'm just vibing with you, show you how the beautiful is the beach. You see this how it is. Yeah, Diani Beach. This is called Diani. It's a nice place, guys. You better come see how the vibe is, how the feeling is. You're gonna feel the vibe of Diani. Yeah, keep on watching, guys. It's Maka. I'm in the beach with nyatiti music. Yeah, just moving along with the instrument called nyatiti. Yeah, I just show you how the beautiful is the beach, and this is a very nice evening where you see, where you watch the big team you see here. There's a guys who went for boat ride, and right now they are back from boat ride, and now they are enjoying the vibe. You see them. Yeah, just keep on watching. Keep on watching. Tell a friend that Maka is live on YouTube. Yeah, just how it is. Keep on watching. This is how it is. What you're seeing is what is going on now here in Diani Mashariki Mera. Just keep on watching. Yeah, this is how it is. See, keep on watching. My name is Maka. Still I'm in the beach, guys, and this is a nice evening where I show you how the beautiful is the beach. So vibe with it. This is a beach vibe. Yeah. Mine is just to give you this ambience so you can enjoy this full ambience of the beach. Yeah, just enjoy. You see there's a lot of people, they're just taking a lot of photos here along the beach. They're taking a lot of photos. Just keep on watching. See, yeah, how it is. Just keep on watching. Hello, how are you? My name is Maka. It's called Maka Legenda.
Cool instrument.
Yeah, I give you a spelling on my YouTube. Yeah. So you can help me to subscribe.
What is the name?
M-A-K-A.
M-A-K-A.
Space. Then G-E-L-D. Maka Mugenda.
Oh, I already put Makamu and it already appears. Yeah, popular. It appears.
Guys, keep on watching. I have a beautiful. You can say hi to people.
Ah, okay, you are online now.
I'm live.
Oh my god. Have you shown them
The sky.
the sky? It's a good part.
Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day. Guys, keep on watching. See how it is. Yeah, I'm still giving you the vibe. You see, this is how the sky look like in the afternoon. So this it is.
This is nice. You look at the I like what I see.
And thank you so much. My name is Maka. I'm a musician. I play African guitar.
Amazing.
Yeah, Mine is just by the time all of you online, just follow it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Maka. If you have a phone, the name is very unaweza sahau. Yeah, Maka.
I'm not a social media person. No, my only social thing is WhatsApp.
MAKA.
Omwaka.
MAKA. Maka.
Maka.
Yeah.
No, but
Space.
whatever it was, because I think
And you.
Maka is MAKA Maka. Yeah.
You type his name and already found But you have 3,000 subscribers. You're okay, you're good. You're earning now, right?
Almost. You know, right now I'm just watch our. I just thought
So you have already subscribed and shared with my friends.
Okay, can I play for you? Wi-Fi.
Me,
Jambo. I hope you have enjoyed that. And here you have Maka.
even glass boat at Robinson.
So that's what I do. Can I play from something before I leave? Oh man, I don't judge. I don't judge.
If you feel like tipping him, it's
yes,
okay.
that's what I'm.
Yeah.
I'll tip you.
The
I'll
tipping
tip
is
you something
okay.
small.
I want to see that. Okay.
I met this pretty girl and I asked her if I can take a photo. Let me ask her. Look at this. Have you ever seen this kind of art?